Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the hood on your Honda CR-V. So we have to go around to the driver's side and we're going to reach down below here. You can see the hood release is here underneath the dash. We're just going to pull on that and you'll hear a pop. And then just walk around to the front of the vehicle. And if you pick up on the hood slightly, you can see this rod underneath. We're going to take this rod and we're just going to push it to our right and then push up on the hood, and the hood raises up. And that's how you open your hood. And then to shut it, you're just going to bring it down to about 6 inches, 8 inches away, and then just push down on it. And you don't need to push hard, you just kind of swing it down and it should latch. And once it's latched, there shouldn't be any play in the hood and you're all set. And that's it guys, that's how you open your hood on your Honda CR-V. Thanks for watching.